Welcome, here I've got ARCHOS Core 57S and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera, so to get access to the mirror effect we have to change it to the front. We can do it by using this button in the right corner. So hi again, and from here let's go to the left corner. When we tap on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide down to the end. As you can see here we have the mirror reflection option, so by using this button we can turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.